Productions. H&P Productions presents.
When the birds sing, we have begun. The raindrops filter through the trees, and I haven't noticed when they fell and I was born. That immense full moon looms beautiful, but melancholic and sinister. I'm taking steps through the humid forest, while I hear a small whisper calling me. Come, come, come. A faint song calls to me, trying to cradle me, but suddenly I feel afraid. The leafy trees attack me, and fierce eyes light up in all the darkness. I run, hearing giggling through the thick forest, and plunge into the misty mist. Quickly, I enter the heart of the forest, where the entire center is cleared of trees, and I catch a glimpse of the huge moon high in the dark and icy sky. A child appears in front of me. I don't know where he came from, or what he's doing at this time of night, alone, in the midst of so much danger. Certainly, I don't know how I got to this place either, let alone what I'm going to do now.
What are you afraid?
The boy with a neutral face asks me. Don't you have it? My words echo, when unexpectedly the boy is closer to me.
If you have it, so do I. Where are we? Where are we going?
Sorry, I know you? Suddenly, I feel his small hands trembling cold embrace my legs, while we hear the sounds of animals growling in the shadows. At that moment, I meet his eyes, and I realize his look, so innocent, fragile, and I will even dare to say a little tearful. He doesn't have the same look as when he appeared in front of me. His ragged breath breaks my heart, and I kneel down to hug him.
Don't let me go! Don't let me go, please!
He yelled at me, crying. I won't do it. I won't do it! I exclaimed to him, pulling him closer to my chest.
I'm afraid. I'm very afraid. I don't want to grow anymore. I don't want to follow this path alone among so much uncertainty. I'm tired of being seen as someone perfect, great, and sensitive. I'm just a kid. Why doesn't anyone understand that? Everyone has hurt me and I have forgiven, but they keep hurting me and no one notices. I'm afraid of losing us. I'm afraid of losing us.
When I hear the last word, I understand why I came to that place. I didn't remember it. I didn't remember the reason why I had dared to enter the forest. But all this time he was calling me, and I hadn't heard him. Little one, I know that you have been hit very hard on this path. I also know that the beings you have loved the most have disappointed you. They have disappointed your faith in them and in the purpose they should have in your life. But you have grown too fast for what you will have wanted. But you have done a great job. Perhaps there are times when you feel like in this forest, with no one by your side and no escape. But as you guided me, so you must follow the path. Listen carefully. What do you hear? The boy, still burying his head in that man's lap, whispers, a little encouraged.
Little birds. I listen birds.
Exactly! You see? The monsters are no longer stalking you. When you feel lost and are afraid, just listen to the good and follow that call. Go without any fear to where the birds sing, because when the birds sing, it is because the light has come out and you will find life.
Now I feel peace. Why do you take so long to come for me?
Forgive me, child. Sometimes, with so many distractions and dangers stalking us daily, we forget to rescue ourselves, but we cannot silence the voice of the one who loves us the most, ourselves. Thank you for always being there. I will tell you that the road will certainly not be easy, but we will always get out of everything bad. We will always meet here, where the birds fly free and calm, and where their soul dance so much with joy. That's why they sing.
I love you. And forgive me for being so pushy, but I love you more than anything in the world. And I will always want the best for you.
And I love you too, my little boy. It is not bad to fear or feel lonely and lost, but we can never ignore or shut up the one who always waits for us and loves us. Ourselves. Protect and defend your inner child. And tell me, are you what you dreamed of?
H&P Productions.
H&P Productions.
Subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to activate the bell to be the first to hear our episodes. Follow us on all our social networks to be part of this great community.
H&P Productions.